Hi everyone, my name is Lek Kamaj, VP of EMP Corp. This week, we're in Raleigh, North Carolina, installing a 5x10 fiber sheet cutter for CMB Acrylics.
My name is Nick Thornton. I am the co-owner of CMB Acrylic. My wife Melody and I started this business 6 years ago out of our garage, and today we've grown it into one of the largest acrylic distribution companies in the US. Our customers in the acrylic market are people that make signs, they make custom jewelry, blanks. Customers that have been doing a lot of fantastic work with acrylic are trying to expand as well. They want to do signs out of metal. The possibilities with metal are also endless. You can weld it, you can bend it, you can cut it, you can do anything you want to do with it. Really anything you can do with acrylic, but they need somebody to be able to service them from a supply standpoint as well. And that's where we come in. Our goal is to be the same supplier for metal that they have for acrylic, with the same type of diversity in our product and the same type of service that we offer. From start to finish, the team at EMP has been phenomenal to deal with in purchasing our machine. From helping us with the research and understanding kind of what we needed, making sure that we got the machine we needed to be able to do our job successfully, through the communication all the way up to the delivery and the installation.
From motors and rails, sensors, wiring, laser heads, and software, we handpick everything to ensure reliability and accuracy. From day one, we were hands-on. We helped prep the shop, assisted with power and ventilation setup, and handled the install. There's excitement in their shop because this isn't just a new machine, it's a new direction for their business.
The EMP Laser is what's going to set CMB Acrylic up for the next evolution in our business.
What we're most proud of is that they didn't need to be experts to get started. That's our job, to support them, guide them, and make sure their first steps into metal cutting are successful. At EMP Corp, that's what we do. We help businesses grow, adapt, and take on new capabilities, whether it's their first metal job or their 100th.
For anybody that's looking to get into the sheet metal cutting business, EMP is a fantastic group to work with. I would highly recommend them.
If you're thinking about getting into metal cutting or need to expand your fabrication capabilities, reach out. We'd love to be part of your journey.